Hi, in last video we have seen how we can combine the two different string alternatively, and in this video we are going to see how we can reverse the string. So I hope most of the people already know this problem. It's a very easy, and if you observe my previous video, so where we have many times reversed the string, but once again I will show you how we can reverse the string. So let me show you. For example, we have one string name equals to Durgesh, and I want to reverse this string. So there is a number of way to reverse this particular string, but I will show you the most two popular ways. So first of all, you can reverse this string with the help of the slice operator. So I hope you all know the what is the slice operator, because I have already explained you in my previous videos what is the slice operator and how it's working. So let's start. So with the help of the slice operator, I'm going to reverse this string. For that, print, and here name is nothing but the my string name, then square bracket, then scope resolution, then -1. See, here we need to specify the starting point. Then here we need to specify the end point, and here we need to specify the step. So by default, if you are not going to define anything at the starting, it means it will take start from 0. And if you are not going to define anything here, then it means it will cover entire string. And if you're defining -1, then it means it is going to be reverse. So let me run and show you. See, my string is reverse. If you see here, you can see my string is reverse. So this is how you can reverse with the help of the slice operator. But there might be chance interviewer ask you to do the same things without slice operator. So let me show you how we can do without slice operator. So for example, this is your string you have, then you want to reverse this one. So how you can do? So we know the average string starting from this 0. So I equals to 0. I'm assuming it. Then I know how to find the length of the string. So if you want to find the length of the string, for that we have an inbuilt function length, and here you need to specify the string name. And here I'm taking one variable. So this is how you can find the length of the string. If you want, I can show you. 1 second. Yeah. Let me run and show you what is the length of our string. 1 second. See, 7. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our length of the string is the 7 only. So this is how we can find the length of the string. So we have a starting point, we have a last point. So what we want to access each and every character present in the string in the reverse order. It means I want from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. So for that, see, we are going to access each and every characters of the string based on some condition. So for that, we have to use the while loop. While, so we need to specify the condition up to what you want to run this loop. So I want to run this loop until my I is less than equals to my L. See, I know my I is the 0 and L is nothing but the 7. So until my I value is less than equals to my L, until that I want to execute the block of code. So what block of code I want to execute? So here we need to write the logic to reverse the string. So simply see, L is nothing but the 7. And if you see here, let me show you one more thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 4, 5, 6. So we know the string start from 0, and so 0 to 6 is nothing but the 7 character. So what you can do here, only you can do -1 if you want. You can handle here also, but if you don't want to handle here, you can do here only. So I want to print. What you want to print? See, I want to print my string or character, particular character in the string. So this is my string name, and if I pass here any number, at that time it will print the particular character which is present at that particular index. So initially, so for that I have taken I. So I only. So initially I is the 0. So it will print D here. But as we know, we don't want from starting, we want from the ending. So I'm going to write L. So L is nothing but the 6 only. Why 6? Because it is a 7 minus 1. So L is the 6. So print, then name. Name is nothing but the string name. Then L. L is nothing but the 6. So it will print H. Then again it will come there and it will print S. And here I need to decrease the value of the L. For that, L minus 1. Why I am decreasing the value of the L? Because initially L is the 6 only. So it will print 6. So 6 for 6 we have a H. So it will print H. Then L minus 1 is nothing but the 5. So at place of the 5 we have a S. So it will print S. Like that it will run. And it's printing. But if you don't want like this, what you can do comma END equals to, yeah, let me run. See. So this is how you can reverse the string, either with the help of the slice operator or with the help of the while loop. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.